first ever listening party ng SB19. Magingay mga Caps! Maganda ba ang gising nyo ngayong araw mga Caps? Caps for Capsicum. Buhati kayo sa isa dali.
Kamusta ito ang people sa live stream?
Hello po sa inyo lahat. Magandang tanghali.
Ipakilala muna tayo. Dali, uy, pinuno.
Kumusta po kayo lahat? Nandito po si Pablo.
Hi everyone, ako po si Stel.
Hello po, I'm Justin.
What's up? I'm Josh.
Hello everyone, I'm Ken.
And we are
SB19!
Yeah.
Grabe naman, buhay naman yung mga energy ng mga tropa natin.
Tanungin natin kung nagsikain na ba kayo? Nagtanghalian na ba kayong mga brody?
Kumain na ba kayo?
Mm-hmm.
Hindi pa. Nag-brunch. Ayan.
Nag-brunch.
Antok pa.
Alas 12 na?
Si Stel daw hindi pa kumakain kasi daw ililibre ko daw siya.
Ay, oo.
Yeah.
Ay, guys, di ba naalala nyo, may ginawa kami, yung bumunot kami ng tawag, ano din? Photocard, di ba nabunot ko si Pablo na hulaan ko? Sabi ko ngayon niya ako ilibre. Yes.
Si Ken, nililibre din si Josh.
Pero anyways, usapang libre tayo mga Caps, di ba? Usapang libre. Ngayon, dahil lilibre ako ni Pablo sa pagkain, ngayong araw naman, makakarinig kayo ng libreng mga tugtugin dito sa aming listening party. Tama ba yan?
Tama yan.
Libreng tugtugin para sa mga libre at single na kagaya nyo. Perfect.
Libreng tugtugin para sa 18.
810? Parang mamali ka ng lyrics sa una, masama na yung 810.
Alright. Siyempre, ito nga, gaya nga sinabi ni Estel, it's the first ever Spotify listening party for a Filipino group. So maraming salamat for
this. Thank you Spotify for doing this for us. Well, Spotify in letter S!
Yes. Kaya naman guys, since nagsisimula na tayo ngayon.
S!
P!
O!
T!
I!
F!
Y!
Spotify!
Alright. Siyempre guys, gusto rin namin marinig pa yung mga reactions and thoughts nyo about this listening party. So share your thoughts and reactions using the hashtag SB19SAW Spotify Listening Party.
Galing, memorize. Top 1 to sa class.
Ang script.
Secretary ka talaga dati.
Pero alam nyo ba, nabalitaan ko, nagpa-poll daw eh.
Nagpa-poll?
Oo, nagpa-poll.
Ano yun?
Nagpa-poll.
Pole dancing?
Hindi, nagpa-poll sila kung ano yung pinaka-favorite nilang tracks sa EP natin. At alam nyo ba kung ano ang nangibabaw?
Ano?
Yung ego ko. Hindi, ang nangibabaw ay wala because all of the above. Dahil gusto nila. Gusto nila. Pero alam mo, imposible yun kasi for sure meron sa puso nyo nangunguna talaga. Pero syempre dahil ganyan kayo, dahil 18 kayo, ayaw nyo may nakakalamang. Gusto nyo pantay-pantay lahat. Pero kaya, boys at the back, baka gusto nyo magsalita. Josh, Ken, puro tayo.
Salita si Josh eh.
Yes, hello, Days in Reservation. This is Josh Collin. How may I help you?
Wow.
Pero naniniwala ba kayo na all of the above ay pantay-pantay gusto ng 18?
Hindi. I mean, may sarili naman preference yung tao eh. Let's not lie to us or to ourselves.
Kung ikaw ba tatanungin?
Pero
ikaw ka, Philip, kung tatanungin ka, ano ang para sa iyo ang pinakagusto mo sa EP na to?
Sa EP na to?
Sige, sa EP ng iba.
Sa
EP na to.
Time. Gusto mo yung mga very, maganda yung melody ng kanta. Time, quick, mga ganun.
Ikaw naman, Josh.
Gusto ko yung mga pangit yung melody na kanta.
Alin doon? Gagaling ka. Gawa mo yun.
Ano nga?
Kasi lahat naman maganda eh. So,
ano nangingibabaw sa'yo, ka Josh?
Or baka ikaw,
Ano sa akin? Time tsaka
Time din.
Ikaw.
Ikaw.
din.
Lahat
sa akin
is all of the above siya.
Ibig sabihin, yung tao, iba-iba kasi sila nakagustuhan.
Ikaw, Justin.
Ako, for today, gusto ko yung Shooting for the Stars.
Ay, kanina rin kinakanta ko yan.
Siguro, nag-enjoy ko kayo mag-long drive, no?
Parang yung feeling ko kasi ngayon, parang bakasyon sa school. Hindi ko alam bakit.
Bakasyon na nga ngayon.
Kaya nga eh. Baka
na-enjoy mo yung
katawan ko.
Sa parang summer, alam mo yun, yung vibe.
Baka na-enjoy mo kasi yung Shooting for the Star, pakinggan. Kasi bago yung mo eh. Bago yung speakers ng car mo. Bago yung car mo pala. Bago yung car. Kaya yun naman. Naisip niyo pa yun? Ako, favorite ko ngayon talaga ngayong araw, doon ka din. Kasi kada scroll ko sa TikTok, doon kayo naririnig ko. Tapos kahit kakagising ko lang gumagano.
Sa YouTube ko eh.
Kumakaldag ako kahit kakagising ko lang.
Di ba nakakolab nga natin si TJ, tinatawanan mo. Kasi, di ba prank natin siya na siya lang yung sasayaw.
Tapos sabi niya, si Pablo nakatingin, tapos kumakaldag ko.
Automatic.
Ako doon ka, ikaw.
Pero kanina pinapakinggan ko yung buong album sa kotse. Ano pa rin sa akin, Dam. Kasi yung talaga yung
Iba talaga.
Iba talaga yung this is ugly.
Kaya naman, sakto-sakto dahil na-mention mo yung dam.
Ano?
Ayun, sakto.
Oo nga.
Dahil na-mention mo yung dam,
Segue.
Pag-usapan natin yung dam.
Ayan.
Usapan natin.
Ayan. 2 lines. 2 lines.
Update ako sa akin. Did again. Yun yung pag-usapan ko live.
Pero tungkol nga ba saan yung dam? Paano mo naisulat yung dam?
Hindi ko rin alam eh.
Feeling ko naman isa lang eh. Yung
Pero,
pinaka ano doon.
Kasi parang sa course ng paggawa ng music, hindi ko siya talagang outright natapos ko agad ng isang araw. Tapos parang fragments siya ng mga nangyayari sa atin. Pero ultimately, lahat naman yun papunta dun sa goal natin na gusto natin. Higitan pa yung mga ginagawa natin. So, yung mga struggles and everything, parang pinaghalo-halo ko. That's why very ano siya, parang iba't iba, parang roller coaster pag pinapakinggan mo yun. Meron biglang ganda yung mga
Alin.
Tama, Josh? Tama.
Nautusan pa ako.
Pero parang yun yung pinaka-ultimate feeling is sanay na tayo sa mga nangyayari. Alam natin na parang kapag gumaganda yung takbo, baka may paparating na kakaiba. Pero ultimately, malalagpasan natin yan. So, yun yung dam.
Yung grabe.
Tsaka saktong-sakto yung line sa dulo nung dam eh. Sa ano talaga ng tao.
Ano?
Nangumpay sa paggusto! Di ba yung last line? Lahat tayo, pagka meron tayong na-achieve, gusto natin ng bago. And lahat tayo ganun. Kaya naman.
Yes, grabe ang dambalasik na explanation natin pinuno at ni Estel. Kaya naman.
Dahil lahat tayo ay walang humpay sa paggusto, ito ay sure na magugustuhan nyo.
Let's all listen to Dam. Are we live?
Yeah, I will.
Ayan!
So we heard that there are...
But before that,
Yeah.
that was Damn by us. By us.
Of course.
Because we are SB19.
Yeah. So we heard that there are also listeners from different parts of the world.
Yes.
So for today,
Wow.
we'll try to speak in English so that it will be understood by many. Yes. Oh, wala nagsalita.
Okay. So, yeah, our album is So. S-A-W.
Yeah, that's
So.
right.
You like it?
Yeah.
If you like it, so what? So you just heard them, and please share thoughts using our hashtag for today. Hashtag SB19 SAW Spotify Listening Party. Yes. Again, thank you so much for joining us today because we are the first ever local artist to have this listening party, and we are very honored and grateful to be doing this with Spotify Philippines. Thank you so much.
Wow.
And right now,
Let's talk about
we are going to talk about the next song entitled Time. So
Ken, you said earlier that your
favorite
favorite song in the album is Time.
Yeah.
So why not share
Your thoughts.
your thoughts about
Share
Time?
my thoughts
Yeah.
about time. Time is very, very relatable to a lot of people. It really
Yes.
resonates
yes.
with a lot of people, not just in our country, not just in the Philippines, but for sure, definitely outside the country too, because like people been through a lot of like struggles in life. So I think it's very, very relatable and it's very heart touching, heart wrenching kind of song.
Yeah.
But I really love the song because of the the lyrics and all that.
And you
So
can
let's play that.
and you can also watch Time music video on and anywhere. You can watch the music video anywhere you like. Just watch it and feel the song. And if you want to listen to the music, go to Spotify and listen to it. Yeah, stream it. Yeah. And we are now going to play Time.
It's time to listen to Time.
Yeah.
Good.
Yes. Thank you for your time.
SB. Ganun kasi yung time eh. May tigil-tigil.
That was nice. And now,
It's our Kuya's time.
yeah,
It's his moment.
the man behind the man behind Justin. Beside. I'll go.
Yes,
Josh.
the man
Introduce
with the
the next song.
Well, yes. Did you enjoy time? Your time.
Yes.
Yes.
Wow.
Because they're...
So basically, the next song that we will be playing, hindi pa pala. Well, yes, actually, yes. The next song that we will be playing is all about
Heavy 8-ton is.
ano?
Basically, it's about like how heavy an 8-ton ball is. It's like 8,000 kilograms.
Okay, correct. Okay,
Correct.
So it was all about our visions and our struggles, and yeah, that's it. I made it with another producer. He's a famous producer, and our workflow was very seamless, and I really enjoyed making it.
Yeah.
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 Ano sasabihin ko? So,
Yeah.
Yes.
Introduce the next
So,
song.
yes.
Oh,
Wait,
yeah.
let's read some questions. I am reading a lot of
Oh.
Josh Cullen.
Kaya mo yan.
Hi Snowball. Yes.
No, not Snowball. 8-ton ball.
8 Snowton ball. All right. So, without further ado, do we do that?
Without further ado, and a 3. No. Let's all listen to 8-ton ball.
And that was 8-ton ball.
Like compression on the ground.
Yes, swerve.
Na-enjoy nyo ba yun guys, yung 8-ton ball? If na-enjoy nyo,
Of course, they enjoy that.
mag-send kayo ng mga emoji ng balls.
Like swerving as well.
Meron di ba emoji yung basketball?
Yes.
Diba?
Maganda sila.
Oh my God, you guys.
Billiard na ball, yung black.
Ayan, ayan. O, tignan mo natin sa emoji ng balls.
Yeah.
Oh,
Yung number 8,
guys,
I
really
billiard
enjoy the
ball.
song.
Yes.
Yung swerve niya kasi swerve kayo ng swerve.
Yeah.
Yes. Right now we have 15,500 listeners. So,
Alright.
For sure
the-
ako.
yes, for the newcomers. you wait lang.
Naalala ko.
Okay, for the newcomers, you can share your thoughts dito sa ating listening party by using the hashtag SB19 SAW Spotify Listening Party.
Yeah.
Yes.
Excited na ako na ma-perform natin yung mga songs natin sa concert. You wanna know why?
Why?
Kasi yung setup ng stage natin merong mosh pit. So
Yeah.
talagang magsisigawan, tatalunan at sasayawan tayo dito.
Jolly.
Can you imagine?
I think my long time dream will happen in this group.
Yung gusto mo
Stage dive.
stage dive.
Pero lang tao.
Pero sa barricade sack mo. Okay na sa'yo. Imagine for you ng mga sa to. Naku, imagine niyo kasi wala pa eh. Imagine niyo lang.
Sa ano pa, before the...
Mag-aral kami ng call mismo.
You tell me.
Because
Tell me.
you wanna know why?
Yeah, why? Tell
Why?
me. Tell me.
Why you wanna know? Dahil kasi itong song na to is something that's new for us. And I think a lot of our casual listeners also looking for us doing this kind of genre. Yeah, so that's why we are here with the creator, with the writer
Yes.
of this particular song entitled Donka. No, entitled Quit. Quit. So I'm very excited to ask some questions. Ken? Can you say something about the song?
I already explained time. I think it's just to
So what's the main reason? Yes.
never quit.
Oh yeah. Short but
Never say never.
ayan, short but never say never.
Actually, kama yan eh. Di ba meron tayong period?
Yes, quit. Na-joke na
Quit
yan.
naman.
That's quit.
Isip ka talaga.
Ayan.
Yes, but you
As-
know what
yeah.
quit means?
Yeah, what?
It says that we are all equal.
So?
Quit.
Quits.
Ikaw talaga, Justin. Ang quit mo talaga. Anyways,
All right.
we're excited for you guys to hear this song and to our 16,000 listeners right now. Again, thank you so much for joining us today. But before anything else, please do enjoy this song entitled Quit.
Don't quit.
And that was
Quit. Bye.
us. Because we are SB19. Wow, 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 wow. And we are back again, guys. Because we never left.
So this is our first time doing a rock song.
Yeah.
Um,
Bakit nga ba?
I don't know.
Because ever since
Bakit nga ba?
we're doing
Tell me.
paper songs.
Kasi nga, baka ano siguro, baka napapanahon lang.
Paper, scissors.
Baka napapanahon lang.
Yes.
But it was a good first try.
Yeah.
Oh,
Yun na yun.
yes.
Okay.
Now, for the next song, why not talk about it, Pablo?
Hindi, siya sa Dunka. Siya sa Dunka.
Okay, so who's gonna talk?
Ikaw na ganun.
I think, let the 18 talk. Sige,
Okay.
kayo mag-explain. Hindi, for
the Stars.
yeah, for the next song, Shooting for the Stars.
Siguro, quick trivia lang. This song was supposed to be in Pagtatag because it was like showed to us by August beforehand. That
Ito yung
time.
kasabay
Yeah.
nung...
So I was thinking if this will go sa Pagtatag.
Tsaka August na sinuwi, no?
Yeah, but I thought Freedom was the better
for
choice
Pagtatag.
during that time. So,
But
Yes.
ano nga, nagma-match din yung mga songs talaga. Parang per era, per EP, meron silang anong tawag doon? Meron silang counterpart
Yeah.
each EP. So parang ito nga ay talagang super match.
But when I first listened to this song, even though it has a very vibrant vibe, it made me cry. Somehow it felt like yung era natin nung go up. The same vibe about dreams, and also yung bridge part where we go silent tapos very solemn yung pagkanta. It wasn't supposed to be that way, right?
We changed it.
We changed it to somewhat like an intimate
Ganun ba?
take.
Yeah.
Ayun lang.
Yeah, but
Malaking
yeah, we hope na whenever you listen to Shooting for the Stars, always remember na everyone will have their special moment and their perfect time, and you will also shoot for your star. So, yeah, i-shoot nyo lang ng i-shoot. Yeah. So this song is
Shooting for the Stars.
was
Shooting for the stars.
Amen. Yeah.
Okay.
Kala mo ibang amen, no? Amen. Yeah. That was Shooting for the Stars.
Yes. How was it? Did you like it?
Grabe, no? Napaka-inspiring, no? Na-inspire ako eh. Parang gusto ko na umalis nga ngayon eh. Gusto ko na gawin yung ano ko mga star. Anyways.
Hirap magsalita kasi...
Again, hello to our 17,891 listeners.
Grabe
Grabe.
na tayo sa 18,000 for 18.
Di ba sabi mo 810?
810.
Yeah, padagdag tayo ng padagdag. Malapit na tayo sa ating 810,000.
Yes, 8 Wow.
Yeah. Kakatuwa naman. This is our first time doing this and parang we are very hype up and excited lalo sa mga mangyayari sa mga susunod na araw and of course aming Simula at Wakas kick-off. Grabe. We're excited.
Pero bago yan, of course, for our newcomers, you can share your thoughts using the hashtag SB19 SAW Spotify Listening Party. So we can read it sa ibang platforms.
Ay, sabi nga, trending daw number 1. Tama ba? Trending number 1? Busy siya, pero yes. Oo, yes. Yeah.
And now we're down to our 6th song. It's called Dungka.
Ooh.
Dungka. What does that mean? You tell me.
Dongka just means that you're poop.
Ay, hindi. Pero kasi diba yung the word
Dung?
Dung.
I think in I don't know, in English, other language, it means
Yeah.
no?
Yeah.
Anyway.
But yeah.
So, for the 6th song, syempre, we wouldn't finish the whole EP without a party song.
Yes. Dapat meron.
So, for this last track, it's a party track. Just a quick story. We made 4 demos. Me and my brother made 4 demos. But this track was the only one na nag-got ng attention namin. So, we were thinking about something very naughty and kind of like an earworm that you will keep hearing when you first heard the song. So, ayun po yung naging parang paano ba? Naging dahilan kung bakit Dungka yung track na yun. Or yung beat na yun yung napili ko na pang 6th track. The song is basically about
doing what you want.
Yeah.
And telling people if you don't like us, then go away.
Go away.
Just like Dora.
Swiper, no swiping.
Yeah.
Yes. So Pablo said it's something naughty, so it might be a coffee naughty.
Coffee, not
Tung sahur.
Cappuccino,
Cappuccino ballerina. Anyways, yeah.
Yes.
So the next song is Dungka, but before we play the song, again, thank you so much for joining us. We are now we have 18,198 Spotify premium account listeners. Thank you so much for joining us today. But yeah, again, we are very excited to see you guys on our upcoming kick-off concert in the biggest indoor arena in the world, Philippine Arena. Yeah. But yeah, that will be on May 31 and the day 2 on June 1. If you have time, please do buy tickets for the day 2 concert. It's still available. Just search for official SB19 or SB19 official. But yeah, this is We Give You Dungka. That was Dungka.
Dungka na dun.
Huy!
Yes. And syempre,
So you just
dahil
okay. Go.
Ano?
What are you going to say?
Oh, may nag-request o acapella daw. Oh.
Stop it.
Hindi, sinabi ko lang. Wala sa atin naman kung gagawin natin eh. Pero no, sorry guys. Ayaw nila.
So you just
Ayaw nila.
listen to the whole Simula at Wakas EP by SB19.
Yay!
I hope you guys enjoyed the whole experience, and please use the hashtag
SB19 SAW Spotify Listening Party. Thank you so much.
So after listening to the album, maybe your thoughts will be different now, because when we first started, they said that in the poll, they all
Like the song.
All of the above.
Yeah, it's
So
yeah.
now comment the song that you really like from the EP Simula at Wakas.
But if you like it all, there's no problem. But if you have like favorite one,
All of the above pa rin. Meron quit, meron time, meron dungka, meron.
oh yeah,
Yes.
And of course, for those who haven't availed our concert
Yes.
for day 2, it's still available.
Yes. Yun nga.
Go.
We have Simula at Wakas World Tour kick-off on May 31 and June 1. Yung June 1 po ay still available.
Yes.
Yeah, so you can visit our social media accounts for more details. But if you were lucky enough, watch out for the giveaway from Spotify.
Uy, there
something special to look forward to.
Yes, grabe.
I'm
no?
so excited din kasi grabe nung pinakita to tapos pinreset, grabe kinilig talaga.
Oh yeah.
Iba,
Yes.
iba si ano, si
May
Spotify.
pag-giveaway.
May pag-giveaway. So yun yung dapat yung abangan.
At hindi lang yun.
Alam niyo gusto ko na magsalita parang
Ah.
tigilan niyo ako.
Kasi may malupit pang kailangang abangan na pa-surpresa si Spotify na very exclusive dito sa Spotify.
Yan ang sinasabi ko sa
Ito yung
iyo.
talagang hindi ko alam eh.
Huwag mo na sabihin Justin, maawa ka please.
Ano sabi Pablo? Anong lasa? Hindi ko alam eh.
They speak English. There's a lot of like people from other universes watching.
Yes.
Listening.
So, yeah, stay tuned for another experience from Spotify
Yeah.
this coming May 23. Wow. Surprise. So,
Do you have any idea what's that?
I have.
Yeah.
Well, I don't want to share.
I think it's something
don't wanna miss a thing.
very
Juicy daw.
interactive.
They said spill the tea.
No,
Spill
we
the
don't.
tea.
TEA.
Spill the tea.
Yes, you just
Yeah.
spelled the T.
Yes.
That's really
But you
great.
have to. You have to say it first. Spell T. T. T-E-A. T.
Yeah, amazing.
Yes.
Life changing.
Wow.
Yeah.
So save the dates, May 23. And of course, we just want to reiterate, June 1, the second day of our concert is still available. Please do watch the show.
Yes.
Mhm.
Again,
Yes.
thank you so much everyone for joining us today. We have 19,116 listeners right
Wow.
now. Again, thank you so much for listening with us today. We really enjoyed our time with you guys, and we hope that you really enjoyed our EP. And please do share our music with your friends, families, and your loved ones. Yes.
If you liked what you listened to, watch us in our concert.
Yes, because we'll be
Yeah, we're very
performing
yeah.
everything for
Yes,
them.
of course, there's no better experience than experiencing the music live.
And we're very excited to show everything, especially the
Yes.
choreographies of each song.
The visuals,
the
the
visuals,
stage
the
performance ay
Special
SB19.
people.
yeah. So
Yes.
that's it, guys, for today.
Yes,
Again, thank you so much, and we hope you enjoyed your time with us, and we hope to see you again next time. And again, thank you Spotify for doing.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Again,
Again.
Spotify, let's party.
Yeah,
Thanks.
thank
Bye,
you,
guys.
thank you everyone. We
Thanks
love
so
you.
much. Love you all.